This kit combines the clutch and throttle kit in a handy storage box. Typical application for motorcycle clutch cables, throttle cables with open and closed cables or single cables. Supplied with 10 meters of conduit with black PVC cover, 10 meters of low friction liner and 10 meters of inner wire. A range of nipples and high quality fittings are included. The ferrules and bends are a snug fit on the conduit. They can be bonded in place during the assembly or retained with a small centre punch indentation to their side. The fittings can be adapted for a range of models. There are enough fittings in the kit to make at least 10 lines, 5 clutch and 5 throttle. Additional fittings, conduit and wire can be purchased separately as required. You will need a basic soldering kit to solder the nipples in place. All Venhill products are available online at venhill.co.uk.